There are a number of reasons that you should use Camera Raw to process your files before going into Photoshop and editing them. We're going to take the next few minutes to talk about the 5 top reasons to do this. The first reason is that everything you do in Camera Raw is non-destructive. It has a completely flexible editing environment, so you never have to worry about experimenting with the different tools and sliders. You can make as many changes as you want to an image, and at any point in time, you can adjust and refine those changes or even remove them altogether. The second advantage is that Adobe Camera Raw has a natural and intuitive workflow. The features, and the sliders, and the panels are organized to help lead us down a logical and structured editing path. Where it might be difficult to know what to do first in a program such as Photoshop. Do you add a layer? Do you make a selection, for example? Camera Raw takes the guesswork out of editing our photographs. Another advantage is that Camera Raw supports not only RAW files, but also JPEG as well as TIFF files, which isn't very intuitive, since it's called Adobe Camera Raw. But once you discover what you can do in Camera Raw, you can then make the same types of edits to this wider variety of image formats. The fourth advantage is that Camera Raw can be automated. It's easy to apply changes to multiple photos at one time. You can copy and paste edits between images, you can use the sync option to make changes to all of your selected photos, and you can even save presets to batch process multiple files. Now obviously Photoshop has automation tools, but they're a bit more complex and time-consuming to learn than simply creating a preset in Camera Raw in order to eliminate those repetitive modifications and adjustments. Finally, for as powerful as Camera Raw can be, it has a relatively simple learning curve. Photoshop has layers and masks and selections, and is truly very powerful, but the benefit of using Camera Raw is that you can get up to speed very quickly and you can master all of the tools. Now when you want to add multiple layers to composite images together, or do some advanced retouching or add text or design elements, then absolutely you can go from Camera Raw and continue working with those images in Photoshop. But when making the most out of your photographs, Camera Raw is exactly where you want to be. In this course, I will show you anything you need to improve your images. Click subscribe button below, so you will not miss any videos when I upload them. Keep learning, and I will see you soon.